Woods Corp is a Woodward certified service facility that offers maintenance, repair, and overhaul services on Woodward fuel valves used in heavy-duty gas turbines in GTCC power plants. We service more than 200 units of hydraulic and electrically actuated valves annually, including the large electronic sonic valves, or LESVs, and rotary valve positioners, or RVPs, found on GE's HA type and Mitsubishi's Jack type gas turbines. We are currently the only service facility globally to be qualified to service such products. We do our work at the Tamasato plant in Chiba, Japan, just 20 minutes from Narita Airport, which serves as the primary airport for international cargo. Our close location to Narita saves a few days in logistics, which allows for a shorter turnaround in and out of Japan. Upon arrival, first step is to check for any damage by visual inspection that may have been sustained during transport. Next, we perform the incoming test, or test as received, using special test equipment. The test records the condition and performance of the subject unit upon arrival, based on a number of data fields. Specifically, the test includes such items as zero positioning, shut-off action, open and close speed, current draw test, and leak test. In case of LESVs, RVPs, and GSXs in GE's HA and Mitsubishi's Jack turbines, the testing process is completed automatically by a proprietary test stand, which in turn results in higher reliability and efficiency. Next, valves are disassembled to piece parts level and then cleaned. Parts are cleaned in a way that is appropriate for each part, by water and/or chemicals. The removal of oil, dirt, and stains is vital to precisely determine the wear and tear, and hence the extent of service required on the subject unit for the overhaul. After cleaning, we perform a thorough inspection on parts that are designed to be reused. Such parts, known as non-consumable parts, are checked one by one to see whether it meets the criteria for reuse by methods such as dimension measurement and penetrant testing, in addition to the basic eye test. In case of non-conformance, we further determine, upon consultation with Woodward Japan when appropriate, whether the subject part needs to be replaced or could be reused after distinct additional treatment. We replace all consumable parts with the Overhaul kit, which includes only genuine parts provided by Woodward. Specifically, the Overhaul kit includes such parts as seat disc, gaskets, seals, screws, and bolts. We then reassemble the subject unit. We take full advantage of our accumulated expertise by using a variety of special tools to complete reassembly precisely and efficiently. Once the unit is reassembled, it's time for the production test, or the final test. The production test is a similar procedure to the incoming test and uses the same proprietary test stand, but includes more test items and data fields. The stroke test, seal break-in, shutdown, zero position calibration, and shaft resolver offset calibration are some examples of additional items at the production test. Very little variance is tolerated in the production test. For example, the unit is adjusted and calibrated within a 1/100th of a millimeter of accuracy. The two test results are weighed against each other and cross-checked with product specifications to ensure that the overhaul meets all criteria set by Woodward. Once the subject unit passes the production test, it is finally ready for shipment. At Woods, we are grateful to have been able to service customers in repair, maintenance, and overhaul of Woodward fuel valves since 2010, and more recently since 2018 on LESVs, RVPs, and GSXs. We take great pride in our track record of work quality and on-time delivery. You can count on the same going forward. We look forward to servicing your valves during your next scheduled outage.